Hello traders, today we will take few trades. If you check here, I have opened a OTC pair, and if you observe the market trend, overall market wants to go down. As of now, the market is trying to go with buyers. If you check, I have plotted two levels only. One is support and second one is a trend line, which is a resistance, which indicates a downtrend. Let me check whether we have any previous level or not. Here, if you observe, we have a W pattern in the past, okay, and from there itself market is trying to reverse. Here I will go with sellers. And one more thing I should mention here, the trade which I was placed, I will show you why it is sometimes will buyer, sometimes will sellers. Means let me take one more for the margin of safety. Why I'm mentioning this point means, if you observe the trend line, the present candle made a gap up. It didn't close exact, not even touch the level 2 previous candle, and the present candle was a gap up. In this kind of situations, try to take the trades with maximum margin of safeties. Why? Because sometimes one more weak green candle may form, sometimes it will reverse instantly. So these kind of two situations will happen. So try to check whenever you are trading in the market. Okay, here that's why only I have mentioned this point particularly. See here, as I said, there is a weak buying candle. Now what you may think, again buyers have been entered, so easily we can go with buyers. But now the official sellers will enter from here. So you should check these points whenever you are trading. Okay, previous there was a level, but it didn't not even touch, it just gap up opened. So in these kind of situations, once try to avoid or try to take trades with the margin of safety. So check these kind of points if you see in the market. Okay, here easily I can go with sellers. Why? Overall the trend line is respecting every time. So now finally we can enter with the selling candle. So whenever you are trying to trade, take trades with the valid levels only. Don't go for every trade. Sometimes, why I'm saying this thing means, sometimes some candles will be retracements, sometimes it will continue. So you should observe these points. Now what is the next candle? Every time you are checking the sellers and the buyers also weak. So again I will go with selling candle only here. Okay, so whenever you are going with a trend, which means uptrend or downtrend, okay, follow the trend maximum. Don't go against the trend. Even if you go also, try to check why you want to go reversal, whether there is a strong level, maybe there is a retest area. So you should check these points only. Okay, so make sure that I am saying cross check once again when you are going against the trend, not the following the trend. Okay, here I have followed only the trend. See, up to the level I have gone with buyers. After the entry I am going with sellers only. Okay, here now we have a 50-50 chance. Why I am saying this thing means, here this candle will confirm. Okay, I will follow the trend. I will go with sellers here. Why? Because I am following the trend only. But if this candle is a buying candle, next time I will go with the buyers only. Why I am saying this point is, previously I have plotted a support level where the market has been came from previously. Okay, in the left side you have a strong area where the market has been rejected. Sometimes this candle will close exact at the support area and it will come up. Otherwise sometimes it will reverse in the middle of the trend. So these kind of situations you may face in the market. So as of now I have only positive things to go with the trend only. So that's the reason only I'm placing the selling trade. Let's see what will happen. Okay, so in these kind of tricky situations, try to avoid the trading or follow the trend only. Okay, see here we got loss. So no longer sellers are interested. Comparing to the previous, every time the market is respecting, but there is left side no level, but you got all of a sudden a buyers, which means the indication is buyers are interested now. So I will continue with the buyers only now. You should understand these points. Already the trend has been breakout, and left side you don't have any levels. The level is in the down. still you are continuing with the buyers means the buyers are interested. And one more thing you should notice here, which means comparing to the trend line, if you check, there are no buyers at all, but the level which I have plotted a support level, from there you got a momentum. So you should understand this point. Okay, so now the buyers are trying to capture the market. Okay, see here easily the buyers will enter. Okay, see now what is the next candle? As we got the confirmation that buyers are interested, so I will try only with the buying candle only. So my trade will be buying trade. See, if you understand the market easily, you can understand the situation of the chart. So try to check the levels whenever you got an opportunity. Try to work on the charts. Don't read, just focus on the chart, because the real experience make you a perfect trader. Why? Because every time the situations are different whenever we are watching in the charts. So try to check the charts twice. You will understand. You may think similar situation, but the candles will be different. So try to check those things. You will understand clearly. Okay. Now what is the next candle here? Here left side I have a level. Maybe I could go with sellers, but sometimes it will break easily. I will do one thing. I will take 2 minutes trade for the buying only. Maybe if a retracement means one candle itself, right? So I will do one thing. I will take a 2 minutes trade. Easily we can win, and I will continue in the next chart. I will open one more pair here. Okay, let me take the trade. Okay, I have gone with buyers. Let's see for the 2 minutes. We'll check one more pair. 1 second. Yes, I got this one. Yeah, fine. Here what is the situation as of now? Okay, let me draw a horizontal level. Here is my resistance. Overall trend is a downtrend. If you notice, you will understand. And let me plot my trend line too. Here I have a trend line. Okay, let me adjust. Yes, so the market wants to go up. Minor trend is an uptrend. Okay, finally the market reached to the resistance, so I can go with sellers. Okay, here I can easily go with sellers. Why? Left side, if you notice, where the momentum has entered strongly, and the previous candle is also too strong. It's not a weak candle. There is no weakness at all. I can expect one more candle here. So that's the reason only I'm going with sellers here. And if you notice from the down, easily you can. Here I have taken previously 2 minutes trade. See, there is a retracement. Again, the market is trying to continue. So here we have taken 2 trades. One, we have a strong resistance where I can expect one more retracement. It's an uptrend, but it is a selling trade. But I could expect one more candle because the sellers are too strong in the left side. And the previous candle, I have followed the momentum, which was the buyers. Okay. Here, let me check. Okay, 1 second. Oh, it's a weak candle. My entry point make me loss, but our prediction is correct. It's okay. And the other chart is win. It's okay. Okay, now what is the next candle? Overall uptrend. We have a momentum, 2 retracements, and second candle is too weak of the sellers. What do you expect? Here, let me update my trend line too. Okay. Anyways, easily I could go with buyers here. Let me take trade first. Okay, I got nice entry point also. Okay, why I am going with buyers? One, there is a trend line where every time the buyers are interested and uptrend. Third thing, momentum, sellers weakness. So I got nice opportunity. Easily I can go with buyers here. Okay. Okay, what is the next candle now? If you notice the trend line, minimum 3 candles you can expect. Previously there are 3 candles as of now, so I can expect minimum 2 because I left side I don't have any level also, so easily I can go with buyers here. That's it. So don't think much, just take the valid levels, take trades. That's it. Here if you check, previously we got win and the market wants to move in a sideways. So as of now, here we don't have any work. Here we will continue. See how the buyers are strong. So that's why whenever you are trading, try to check the levels. You will get a confidence whenever you are trading. Okay. Here I have a 50-50 for the next candle. Sometimes the left side there is a horizontal level, right? It will respect. Sometimes it will break easily, but I have to check the situation. Okay, anyways, I will follow the buying. You can check my history also. Okay, 1 second. Yeah. Now this is a 50-50 trade. I am mentioning before itself. I will go with buyers only because it's an uptrend. Market is coming from buyers area. Okay, let me take. Yes, I have gone with buyers. Only possibility to come the sellers means there is a horizontal level left side, which the level is plotted. You can adjust the trend line. So here, okay, you got the clarity. This level has been rejected. Maybe it could be a retracement only for one candle as of now. Okay. Okay, I didn't get a margin of safety. It's okay. But for the next candle, maximum we can go with buyers. Okay, here we got a major trend line. Okay, easily we can win for the next trade. Yeah. Okay, we got loss. It's okay. Here I have to take for the buyers for the next candle. Okay, okay. Here finally we got loss. It's okay. Now I will go with buyers. Okay. We'll check this chart. Maybe there is a 50-50. Okay, here there is any opportunity. Yes. Here I will go with buyers with the margin of safety only. There is a level left side. Easily the market may get at least one reversal here. So with the margin of safety, even there is no weakness in the sellers, but these candles sometimes may get buyers too, or sometimes it will get weak candle. That's why I have used a margin of safety over there. Okay, I will take one more last trade in the next chart. Okay, here easily the buyers will enter or a weak selling candle because the momentum wants to get a weakness, but at the end of the trade we need a yes, we got winning trade because of our entry. I have mentioned this point before itself. Okay, we'll change the chart and check that what happened in the previous one. Okay, if possible. Yeah, yes, now we got perfect opportunity. A major trend line we have just now. The market has been closed. Yes, I will go confidently with buyers. Okay, why I am saying confidence means here I will remove the trend line first of all for you. Okay, 1 second. Okay, now if you check, the trend line is strong and it's a major level. Every time market is respecting that particular trend line. Now I can go with buyers. Why I am mentioning this point means previously there was a wick and the candle is strong, but it didn't make a new low or new high. So obviously it indicates a weakness in the buyers area. So easily you can go with buyers. Okay guys, I think this is last trade. Okay guys, have a nice day. Thank you.